Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, you guys. If you're new, my name is Destiny, and by the title, you guys, you already know what the video is going to be about. But I have a question for you. Do you have some? And if you have some, do you use it or do it collect dust? Are you person A or are you person B? And what I mean by that is, keep watching so you can find out. Yeah, you know I had this party this weekend, right? You know, hey, get some stuff off the site. Oh, yeah, girl, I remember. Yeah, I have some leftover lubricant, you know, all different kinds and different flavors. And I was just wondering if you wanted lubricant. What you mean? And exactly what I'm doing with that. Girl, that's for old people. Girl, please, I do not need that. No, it is not. Cat, stay away. You know I got that wild. Having lubricant is perfectly fine. Wow. Who told you that? That wild. I don't need that. Friend, you use it. Okay, well look, I'm finna school you. I'm finna let me know. So you guys, what person are you? Are you person A? Or are you person B? The question is, why use lube? What's the benefit of lube? Well, you guys, the benefit of lube is it can help reduce the tearing of anal and vaginal. It can help with vaginal dehydration. It can help reduce the tear of condom. It can help for comfort and give you a better orgasm. Y'all, the skies are limited. You can even use it with your toys, you guys. So I put this chart up so you guys can see what kind of lubes, what different base we have, and what's good to use the lube on. Like for some of them, we can use for vaginal, anal, with condoms and toys, and some of them we cannot. So you guys make sure you take a look. Women get a misconception that if we use lube, there's something wrong with us. Now, ladies, none of our bodies are the same. All of our bodies are different. So, you guys, when we're aroused and getting ready to have sex, our body naturally produces lubricant. But sometimes it doesn't produce enough. And that's perfectly fine. Sometimes our mind, you know, we're ready to go. We're at our mind is there, but our body needs time to catch up. And it's okay to use lubricant, you guys. The reason you may not be as aka wetter as the next lady, you guys, it could be from menopause, your menstrual cycle, your hormones level before and after birth, vaginal dryness. It could be a whole lot of things, you guys. And if you find this is to be problematic for you, you may want to consult a doctor. But you guys, it's perfectly normal to use lube, and it's fun. That's foreplay. So let's play a game. I'm bottom my fist up. See my finger. I'm trying to get in there. Trying to get in there. I cannot get in there, you guys. Cannot get in there at all. So let's try if I put some lube on there. You can put a lot. You can put a little bit. It all depends on what you like. So you guys, I'm going to do it the opposite way. You see? I have the lube on there. Now let's try now. I had it on this end. So let's try. I got it all over my hand, you guys. See? Making a mess. So let's try. Finger. Right here where the hole is at. Let's go. And you guys see how my finger slid right in there. You see? Out. See the lubricant? And I'm trying to ball this tight. Let's see. I think I had it like this last time, you guys. So like this. Finger in. See? It's in there. Out. In. Out. In. Yes, you guys. So I put a lot. But you do not necessarily have to put a lot. So you see, when I didn't have the lubricant, it did not want to slide in. And when I put the lubricant on my hand, it made it a little bit more easier to slide in. And once it slid in, I took it back out and put it back in. It was like butter. It slid right on in. Right on in. So you guys, don't be afraid to have a lubricant sit beside the bed. It's perfectly fine. That's your foreplay. Your foreplay is your lubricant. 9 out of 10 women who have tried intimate lubricant said that they enjoyed it and they would try it again, that it made sex much easier. Like I said, you guys, that can be your foreplay. Use it. That's what it's there for. It's slid in easy. So again, you guys, like I said in all my videos, I'm going to keep it short. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, you guys. Make sure you look at the whole video and leave a comment. It really helps me out when you guys leave a comment and like the video and watch the whole thing. So you guys, I will see you in the next video. And thank you so much. Bye.